Go.
I like this car because of its wheels, because they're white, and this big drill on the back. And I like the shovel on the front to get all the snow, and this and this big bit on the front. And I like how you see its reflection in where the driver looks through.